Hey, it's Danielle with 4Patriots, and today I wanted to go over our top 5 tips for storing survival food, right here in our 4Patriots bunker. How you store your emergency food supply will be a critical factor in how long your food stays good. It could make all the difference in the world if the crisis you face goes on for any duration of time. So let's dive in. Number 5, have lots of shelves available in your survival shelter. If the power goes out, you'll want plenty of those shelf-stable foods, since those in your fridge and freezer can spoil quickly without power. We got this rack at a local builder store, but you can also get a wide variety of storage shelves online. And all of our survival food totes fit nicely stacked right on top of each other in these shelves. Number 4, store your items at temperatures between 40 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Higher temperatures will shorten almost every food's shelf life. Any temperature-regulated area will work. This shelter is underground, so we don't have to worry too much about temperature regulation down here. It stays around 60 degrees year-round, but that definitely depends on your climate. So do some research on your area to find the best solution for you. Number 3, keep your food supply out of light as much as possible. Vitamins, proteins, and fats are susceptible to light. Make sure you place your shelves and food storage away from any windows, which cause trouble with both light and heat. This shelter doesn't actually have any windows at all since we're here in Tornado Alley in Nashville. But as an extra precaution, I also like to keep my food packed away in the 4Patriots totes to keep out any artificial light. Number 2, keep your food items dry. Moisture is one of the worst things for food longevity. It can cause foods to spoil and allow bacteria to grow. It's super important that your food is in airtight containers, especially if it's got paper or cardboard in the packaging. The 4Patriots survival food comes sealed in these Mylar packages that are air, moisture, and light resistant, so you don't have to give food storage a second thought. This food is designed to last up to 25 years, and you can even further secure it with these pest and water resistant totes. And finally, number 1, consider keeping some of your food items in a secondary location, just in case a disaster keeps you from reaching your primary source. The 4Patriots food totes are made to fit in lots of places, like above the fridge or under the bed, as well as these shelves down here. That's all I have for you this week, folks. Thanks for watching this video on our top 5 tips for storing your survival food. While you're here, check out some of our other videos and hit that subscribe button. See you next week.